ko ng connection. Nag-ikot siya. Teaching me how to love. Ikot tayo sa madilim. So, hello everyone. Ayan, day 2 po tayo guys. Nagpitmalo, nagloading po yung connection natin kanina. Ayan, thank you so much. Nagloading siya. No? Yan talaga yung mahirap kapag nag-ELIS napakahina po ng connection. So, yan po talagang kadalasan dahilan na masira yung live. Thank you for all you've done. Thank you for everything you do. Yan, thanks sa nanonood dyan at sa nagka-thumbs up dyan. Nag-loading, nawala yung connection natin kanina guys. So, super, alam niyo na talaga na super love talaga ako ni loading. Simula pa dati. And thank you so isang nakapasok na naman dyan. Thank you ng marami. I really appreciate it. So, shout out once again kay Tiffany Gardner, Chip Manix Vlog, Ogie Pogi, Sin Williams. Shout out kay Mami Jo Collar. Shout out kay my working ma'am. Shout out kay Sis JC Joy. Ayan. Bigilis tayo ulit saglit guys. Mga ngamuti si Bulak. Naghahanap lang tayo ng sense. Thank you for the love and the joy you bring. Nagloading pa rin ba tayo? Parang umiikot-ikot pa rin, no? Nawala yung LS natin kanina. Nagloading kasi siya. Shoutout nga pala kay Annalise and Ismael. So, thank you so much, sis. Nanalo ako kanina ng 10 hours. 10 hours, grabe. So, thank you so much, sis, sa iyong welcome back. Yes, welcome back, Ogie Pogi. Welcome back. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming back. The connection was lost. Kaya I make a part 2. So, thank you so much for coming back again to my live streaming. Shout out Ogie Pogi. So guys, sa mga hindi pa po kaibigan, if you are not yet friend with Ogie Poogie, so don't hesitate to visit. He loves to sing, so he has a video live streaming. So you can join him in his live streaming if you love to sing. So you can join him in his live streaming on StreamYard, and I'm sure you will enjoy it. Thank you so much at tatlong nandyan. Thank you so much ng marami. I really appreciate it, guys. So, sasayaw, sayaw. Tiffany, mag-comment ka nga dyan para sasayaw ako. Wow, pag mag-comment si Tiffany, magsasayaw ako. Joke. And thank you so much sa bagong pasok dyan. Thank you so much sa apat na tao na nandyan. Welcome to my live streaming and good morning, good morning, good morning everyone. It's an early morning here in Saudi Arabia. It's 2 a.m. here. So you think I'm going to enjoy my channel? I sing terrible. But many people join your video live streaming. So it's not terrible because everyone of us has a unique. We have an unique individual. So we are a unique individual. So your voice is your voice is not bad. Many people enjoyed listening your singing, and they love singing with you too. So just keep it up. Enjoy your channel, enjoy singing. So many people knows about you that you are a singer. You are a singer, Pogi. And I see you have a lot of friends. Plenty of friends joining you. Yes, you'll have airflags in. Airflags in. Did you say them? Did you say them putting their You're kidding, Poogie. You're kidding, Poogie. Ayan, good morning pala kay Sis Kisin. Nakalimutan ko shoutout si Sis Kisin kanina. Good morning pala. Bibki kay ayan, si Sis Kisin. Good morning, Sis Kisin. Thank you so much, Sis Kisin, for dropping by. Good morning, how are you? Kumusta po kayo, Sis Kisin? Thank you ng marami. Good morning, Sis Kisin. Naka-LS po si Sis Joy. Si Joy. No, really, they got their ears covered with something. They get their ears covered with something. Never mind at Boogie. At least you enjoy work mode, sis. Okay, sis. Stickers is keeps it always, sis. Kissing. Thank you so much for dropping by. Thank you so much, sis Kissing. I really appreciate it. Ingat-ingat po sa trabaho, sis Kissing. Good morning to you. Have a nice day to you. God bless you. God will help you. God will sustain you. And God will uphold you up. Uphold you up and lift you up. Keep safe always, says. May God protect you. May the divine protection and preservation be upon you. Have a nice day. Have a blessed day. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much. You know what, Pogi? The most important is you enjoyed singing. So, you don't need to care about what people they will say about you. Uh, that's why they don't turn the cameras because you don't want me to say that they got their ears. No cameras, but there's a third eye. So the third eye can see, can see, can sue everybody. So it's 2 a.m. here. In 2:30, I think, 2:20, something like that. I will end. So it's 20 minutes more. Nawala yung LS natin kanina. So my live stream a while ago was lost. I don't know where it goes. it was lost due to a lost internet connection. So we will make this 30 minutes again. So it's now 13 or 14 minutes. So we have 6 minutes or 7 minutes something or like that. Then we will end our live streaming because I still need to take a rest. And thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. So, pumasok sana yun kanina si Elena Binamera, si Maribeth Boicelio. Marami na sana yung tao. Kaso biglang nag-loading siya. Biglang nawala. Thank you, Grace. You're so sweet. You're very welcome, Pogi. Can I sing here so that you will not get boring? I will sing here. My tooth, my knees, my shoulder, my head. I will sing it in Arabic. So, kadam rukba, katif ras, shar jabin, haji brahms, ayun, ayun, kasim, pamayemin, lisan, asnan, wajid, odhon, unok, dahar, sadar, galbi. Yan po yung may kadam, rokba, katif, ras. Ras in Arabic is ras. So ganyan po. Natawa po sa akin yung batang babae. Yung bago pa ako dito, kinanta ko siya ng my tus minus in Arabic. So nag-action ako sa kanya. Sabi ko, my tus minus, my shoulder, my head. Kadam, rokba, katipras, shar. Yung shar is buhok. Yung hair. Shar. Hajib. Raams. Ito yung kilay. Tapos ayon, yung mata ayon, kasim. Tapos pama, yung bibig, yemi, lisan, Asnan ngipin. Waj. Mukha. Wajid. Unok, liig. Zahar. Yung dahar. Yung dahar is dito. Hi! Yes, shout out Elena Binamera. Ayan, shout out. Good morning, sis Elena. Thank you so much for dropping by her. Welcome to my live streaming, sis Elena. I didn't know you was a singer, Grace. I am a poetry. I'm not a singer. Joke. Ayan, shout out kay Elena Binamera. Hello sa lahat. Ayan. Hello din sa iyo. Loading kanina, oo, biglang nawala sis Elena, biglang nawala. Kaya nag-LS ako ulit kasi nawala yung live stream natin kanina and ano na din yun. Nawala yung internet connection kasi nag-ikot-ikot lang siya. So good morning to you sis Elena. Thank you so much for dropping by. Have a nice day. Kumusta po kayo dyan sa Hong Kong? Keep safe always po. Shout out sa inyo po, Elena Binamera. Thumbs up. Ayan. Thank you so much. Thumbs up. Pa-thumbs up ni sis Elena. Thank you so much. Guys, if you are not yet friends with Elena Binamera, so guys, please visit Elena Binamera. Ogi-pogi, if you are not yet friend with Elena, ayan, thank you so much sis Elena. Thank you so much po. Thank you ng marami sa ating super chatter guys. So please visit po. I can't stay long, nasa work na ako host. Sige. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Keep safe always. Have a nice day and may God bless you. And may the divine protection be upon you always. Pasensya na, Barry. Malaki na yan po, sis Elena. Thank you so much po. Thank you ng marami. Thank you. Thanks a lot din po sa'yo. You're very welcome, sis. Thank you so much. Thank you for the love. Ayan guys, please supportahan po natin yung super chatter po natin this morning, Mrs. Elena Binamera. Ayan, thanks. Ayan, thank you so much, Mrs. Elena. Nawala yung mga tao, nawala silang si Stephanie, si Chuck Manix kasi nagloading tayo kaganina at naka-LS din kasi si GCJ kaya lumipat sila doon. Nag-LS lang kasi ako ulit kasi nawala yung live streaming natin kanina. So, naghanap lang tayo ng sense. Alam niyo na, napakahirap ng panahon ngayon. So, kailangan natin maghanap ng sense. So, thank you so much, Sis Elena. Ingat po kayo dyan sa inyong trabaho, sis. Ingat po. Alam ko po na hindi po easy yung buhay natin bilang isang OFW. A life of an OFW is really not easy, but Alhamdulillah, thanks God pa rin because He sustain us and He protect us. So, ayan, kahit gaano kahirap ang buhay, enjoy lang din, enjoy lang, samahan lang natin ng dasal palagi. So, thank you so much, Sis Elena. Ingat-ingat po kayo dyan palagi. Thank you. Ang babait ninyo, thank you. Thank you, Elena Binamera. Shout out sa iyo po. Ayan, sabi ni Sis Kisin. So, shout out daw sa iyo, Sis Elena. Sabi ni Sis Kisin. Ayan, si Sis Kisin din is work mode na rin. So, thank you sa inyong lahat guys. Thank you ng marami guys. Kahit na nasa work na po kayo, binisita nyo pa rin po ako. Thank you so much po ng marami. Thank you. Ang babait ninyo. Thank you. Ayan. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Ayan. Thank you so much. Thank you so much po. Thank you sa apat na tao na nandyan. Shout out once again kay Sis Kisin, kay Play Away Tiffany Gardiner, kay Chick Manix Vlog, kay Elena Binamera, kay Sis Jessie Joy, kay My Working Ma'am, kay Mami Jo Collar, shoutout kay Ugi Pugi, shoutout kay Sen Williams, and magbubulang-bulang muna ako guys kasi umakyat na si Modragon. Yung boss ko is umakyat na. Andiyan na siya sa labas ng aking kwarto. Baka katukin niya ako. Hey, anong ginagawa mo? Bakit hindi ka pa natutulog? Mahirap na. Baka bukas patapusin ako ng trabaho umaga na. So, ayan. Diskarte lang talaga sa buhay. Kahit gaano kahirap ang buhay, enjoy lang, samahan lang natin ng dasal. At wag lang kayo mawala ng pag-asa, guys. So, kapag tiyaga, may nilaga. So, yan yung kasabihan, di ba, in Tagalog. Kapag may tiyaga, may nilaga. Ni-share nga natin to sa FB. You go. You hold my future in your hand. Grace, thanks for the shout out. You're very welcome, Poogie. There's hope I feel inside. It's coming alive. It's coming alive. How could I ever let you go? You hold my future in your hands. How could I ever survive? How could I ever survive? Thank you so much sa inyong lahat, guys. Thank you ng marami. These words I feel inside, it's coming alive. It's coming alive. There is a miracle when you believe, reach out your hands, touch His presence once again. Oh, what a joy I've found. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sis Kisin, Sis Elena, Ogi Pugi. Thank you so much. Alam niyo ba guys na itong daliri is meron tong tawag sa Arabic. Ito yung Ibham. Was that dedicated to me? How could I ever let you go? You hold my future in your hand. This song, it was I hear this song this is the title of this song is Miracle from I forget that is a Christian in Japan, but I forget what's really the I'm sorry, I forget. But I heard this song a while ago. So, how great is our God? Sing with me, how great is our God? and all will say how great is our God, how great. This song was from in Hillsong. It was titled "How Great." How great is our God? Sing with me, how great is our God, and all will say how great is our God. And thank you sa apat dyan. Apat dapat. Apat dapat. Parang Skyflix ba? Yung Skyflix sa Pinas, ba yung advertise ng Skyflix sa Pinas is apat dapat. Parang Skyflix ba yun or Ibisco? Nakalimutan ko na. Makakalimutin kasi ako. Makakakalimutin kasi ako. Nakakakaloke. And guys, please supportahan po natin ang ating super chatter. Our super chatter for today. Sis Elena, I will take that as a yes. I will take that as a yes. Kikay, hi, ayan. Sabi ni Sis Elena Binamira. Ayan, Sis Elena, si Bib Kikay, o yan si, si Sis Kisen. Yay, bravo. Bravo ka dyan. Yung, Oogie Poogie, do you hear the song, You Are the Sunshine? I remember that song. There's an old song. That's a song from something like that, or 70s, 60s. Yung, some, You are the sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when the sky is gray. You never know there how much I love you. That's an old song. You are the sunshine. You are the sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when the sky is gray. You never know there how much I love you. Please don't take the sunshine away. That's an old song. The old song is good than the latest song because nowadays many songs nowadays many songs, many latest songs which is something like no meaning. Something like meaningless, I mean. So just only a rap like that. So the old songs is very good than the latest, the newest songs nowadays, especially you know but it also depends on the singer because there is also a good songs. There was also a songs which has a good meaning, a meaningful. Thank you. Thank you. Daghan kaayong salamat. Sa Bisaya pa. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Daghan kaayong salamat sa inyong tanan. Thank you so much, everyone. Lingaw-lingaw lang ni ang ato. Yes, especially in the 80s, J-Rock. Yeah. Yes, Pogi. I agree that.
Magre-refresh muna ako. Tayo po ay
Thank you for teaching me how to love, showing me what the world was.
Pagbilang ng 10, magtagot kayo. Ayan. It's 2 minutes. 2 minutes. It is starting to load again, but then it goes away. Yeah, but we will not stay long. Just 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left, and then I will end my live streaming.
Who am I that the Lord of all the earth would care to know my name? Would care to fill my heart? Who am I that the bright morning star
Okay, because we need to sleep, and it takes me a while to change my what are you, because because we need to sleep, and it takes me a while to change my clothes. Here. 21 seconds. 21 seconds. 14, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much guys sa inyong panonood guys. See you next time. Thank you. God bless us all. Bye-bye.